Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate Cyberpunk 2077 theme on Instagram. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Instagram. Click on that and you need to update your Instagram application first. Once you done that, you simply need to go back and open Instagram application. Then you simply need to click on this messenger icon on the top right. From here you need to select any conversation. Click on this icon in the top, that is name. Click on theme. From here you need to find the Cyberpunk 2077 theme. You need to scroll down. So here you can see that. You simply need to select that. Wait for a few seconds. And now you can see that theme is changed. So let me show you. So here you can see that. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.